Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add images to your pages on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the preview for my main page, and I'm going to be adding an image over here. Now, what we're going to be doing first is we're going to go over into assets, and this is the page where you can upload any files, such as the images you want to add, and you can upload them from this page here. However, you can also do it while uploading the picture, so it doesn't really matter, or while setting up the image on your site. So to add the image to your site, you're going to go ahead and click on the edit button in the top left, and then once everything loads up, you're going to hover over the section where you want to add the image, click on add block, and then click image as is here. Now you can go ahead and put this image wherever you want. You can scale it up, scale it down, really doesn't matter. So I'll just go ahead and scale it up. And now, as you can see, we have a blank image over here. Now, to edit this, you're going to go ahead and click on edit. And here you can go ahead and add an image, which needs to be at maximum 20 megabytes. So you can just click here, or you can attach a link to an image if you so choose. You can also go ahead and click on design to change the appearance of your image if you so choose. You can choose fill, you can choose shape, you can do whatever you want from this, and yeah, you can go ahead and upload an image here, and that should be it. You can also click on it and click on upload file. You can do it that way as well, or you can go ahead and click on edit link and add either a URL or a file from your uploaded files. As you can see, I already have one, and now once I save this and exit it back into the preview, it should show that same image, and in a couple of seconds it should show. I'm not sure why it's not showing. If we go into edit, it should show the picture over here. For some reason it is still blank, so let me go ahead and oh yeah, right, if you set up the link, it's gonna take you to the image if you click on it. That's my mistake right over here, but yeah, the only way is to click on it. Click either upload or select from library. In this case, as you can see, I don't have anything in my library. I'm just gonna pick a placeholder image, and as you can see, now that image has been placed into our site. Click save, and once that fully loads up and we exit back into our overview, we're going to see that image right over here on this page. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.